our 3 glass door freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 78.5 inches. Okay. A depth of 30 inches. And a height of 84.75 inches. Left, middle, and right swing doors. And included are 12 shelves. 4 to the left, 4 to the middle, and 4 to the right. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included. The measurements for each shelf will include 25.5 inches in length, by 22.75 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 12 shelves that will be included. Coming to the left will be your e-tail certification sticker. LED strips located on the left and right side of the door trim. Coming to the inside will be dual fans, one to the left and one to the right. We have our power and light switch along with the temperature control. Coming to the back will be your 110/120 voltage plug. And interior dimensions for the unit will include 74 inches in length, and 23.5 inches from the back wall towards the front before the LED strip. In the height, we have 51 inches. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.